gathering that we're having today. Miss Thompson. I've heard quite all things about her though. Have you?
I hope we have a good time today as it's raining outside, but the weather shouldn't matter.
Should it?
There's only 2 pieces on each side, so whatever side of the wall that looks nice, not put it on that. Just put whatever on. I think it's better not, yeah. Too much of a good thing sometimes is bad. Yeah, oh, that's much better. Yeah, so I'll wait. Yeah, vertical now.
Hello.
Wow.
Who are you, Maya? Person? I mean, he has kind of a cute face, but they all wash away as you stare into those pupils. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry.
I'm Gwendolyn. I guess the dinner party's off to a good start. I wouldn't call it great though. We have that guy that doesn't blink, and Mrs. Compton's not even here yet. Like, what? Dilsey? Dilsey? Sorry, everyone. Oh, my son Benji. Hello, Gwendolyn. You look lovely. I know you must be Algernon. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Carolyn Thompson, and I'm so welcome to have you guys. I'm sorry about the dinner table. It's getting renovated. Oh, ish. And
hello.
Have we met before?
No, we haven't met.
Okay, nice to meet you.
No, I don't. Does it matter? Okay.
It's
the suit, isn't it?
Gwendolyn, it's been ages since I've seen you. How's the family? The family's great. How's your family? We're fantastic. That's our new family photo we just had done a couple years ago. That's me holding, our daughter, whom we don't speak of anymore, and that's my husband, Jason. Also, to the far right is our son, Jason, Jr., and our other son, Quentin, and, well, I'm not sure who the rest of those people are.
Huh. Really now? You don't know who the person's name is?
Well, it was taken a long time ago with a couple of neighbors, so I'm not quite sure what happened to them. I don't venture far out of the house anymore now that it pains me to do so.
Yes, it does. I'm sorry. I just can't keep a conversation going without movies.
Oh, would you like some?
Thanks. I would. I would like some. Some. Good enough. You know, a man can't live on breadsticks alone. And no, I'm not a God-fearing man.
I know he just jumped, and I couldn't believe that he would do that to me. That's so selfish. Can you imagine?
That's Windows! So, how'd you guys die?
Die?
Yeah. We're all in hell, right? I don't think so. I haven't eaten in ages. Got a breakfast? Thanks.
Mr. Garcon, what exactly do you do?
Dead, but I used to be a journalist.
So, journalist, do you write journals?
Show is alive. I don't think they're so much better than just because they're alive.
Journals for me?
Not per se. I think of myself more of a diarist.
Diary.
Algernon and Gwendolyn, I've heard both of you are getting married.
Not particularly.
Long story.
Yeah.
You can read about it in my diary if you'd like.
Oh no, reading long passages affects my health.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be staying for much longer.
Yeah. Hello? Oh, Bunbury.
Fun.
Feeling sick, are you? Ah, yes. I'll be there in a sec, okay? One minute. We have to go. Bunbury is my invalid friend. He lives out in the country. He's very sick.
Just being in this room with them and this mood, it's really upsetting my temperament.
Was that a whale?
I sure could use some more whale blubber for lamb snacks these days.
I'm so sorry, guys. I think that's my son Benji Bellerin up there. I should probably take care of him.
Algernon, your friend, Blueberry.
Bunbury.
Bunbury.
Invalid. We have to. I can feel he's sick right now. Pardon me.
Yeah.
He said a
We're
telegram.
You stay right here. We'll get in the carriage and take care of that.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse us. Not again.